Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. So this is a blank sheet. The name is CSV automation for email listing. There is a menu added. So what you need to do, you can just simply drag your, um, sorry, you just need to come here, import the file, drag the data here, or you can copy paste as well. So what I'll do, I'll just replace the append the data to current because the sheet is empty, so it will import the data right from the first row. As you can see, the data has been imported. Let me make change the name of this file. So this should also be always be data, nothing else, nothing less. So let me try running it. It will pop me up that the input data tab should the name should be data. So what I'll do, I'll copy it. I'll just replace it here, and you can see this one is empty currently. And now I'll run this code. This will take 10 to 15 seconds. Yeah, there are two columns, the owner number one column and owner number two column. So yeah, no email will be missed and the rows will be added for the multiple entries of the emails. So now the data is ready for the download. As you can see this one, let me click this download, and here is the CSV. I'll close it. You can clear this part as well. So the data is here. You can clear this like this. Select the top left corner and press delete. The CSV has been opened, and you can see the formatting is okay. And here are all the email addresses. Yeah, here are all the email addresses. No more multiple email addresses, single email addresses only. And the email addresses are being splitted for both the email owner 1 and email owner 2 both. Oh, my bad. Might be you are unable to see the Excel part, but you can see it here. Let me repeat it. Okay, so here you can see on column Q there are no multiple emails, and all the email has been splitted. Similarly, for the owner number 2, if there are multiple email addresses, those are being also yeah, here are those. You can see only one email address has been shown and no multiple email addresses. You can see only one email address. But so that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Thank you.